Male Infertility Part 2. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all well. Today my video is about male infertility. In the previous video I had discussed about what is infertility. Now today I will discuss what is male infertility. So let's start the video. What is male infertility? Up to 15% of couples are infertile. This means they are not able to conceive a child. They have had frequent unprotected sexual intercourse for a year. Male infertility is due to low sperm production, abnormal sperm function, or blockages that prevent the delivery of sperm. Illness, injuries, chronic health problems, lifestyle choices and other factors can play a role in causing male infertility. Male infertility refers to a male's inability to cause pregnancy in a fertile female. In humans, 40 to 50% of infertility. It affects approximately 7% of all men. Male infertility is commonly due to deficiencies in the semen, and semen quality is used as a surrogate. In some cases, however, problems such as an inherited disorder, a hormonal imbalance, dilated veins around the testicle, or a condition that blocks the passage of sperm causes. So viewers, most men with male infertility don't notice symptoms other than the inability to conceive a child. Problems with sexual function, for example, difficulty with ejaculation or small volume of fluid ejaculated, reduced sexual desire, or difficulty maintaining an erection. Pain, swelling or a lump in the testicle area, respiratory infections, inability to smell, abnormal breast growth, decreased facial or body hair, or other signs of a chromosomal or hormonal abnormality. A lower than normal sperm count, fewer than 15 million sperm per milliliter of semen, or a total sperm count of less than 39 million per ejaculate. Immune infertility that also in male infertility. Anti-sperm antibodies have been considered as an infertility cause in around 10 to 30% of infertile couples. ASA production are directed against surface antigen on sperm, which can interfere with sperm motility and transport to the female reproductive tract, inhibiting cavitation and acrosome reaction, impaired fertilization, influence on the implantation process, and impaired growth and development of the embryo. Risk factors for the formation of anti-sperm antibodies in men include the breakdown of the blood-testis barrier, trauma and surgery, orchitis, varicocele infection, prostatitis, testicular cancer, failure of immunosuppression, and unprotected deceptive anal or oral sex with men. 1 in 8 couples have trouble getting pregnant or sustaining a pregnancy. Approximately 1/3 of infertility is attributed to the female partner, 1/3 attributed to the male partner, and 1/3 is caused by a combination of problems in both partners or is unexplained. Male infertility is more common in environment with high level of environmental pollution, including water, contaminants, pesticides and herbicides. Some recent studies have suggested that sperm count have been declining universally even though infertility has not been increasing substantially. Many different medical conditions and other factors can contribute to fertility problems, and an individual case may have a single cause, several causes, or in some cases no identifiable cause. To conceive a child, a man's sperm must combine with a woman's egg. The testicle make and store sperm which are ejaculated by the penis to deliver sperm to the female reproductive tract during sexual intercourse. The most common tissue that lead to infertility in men are problems that affect how the testicle work. Other problems are hormone imbalance or blockages in the male reproductive organs. In about 50% of cases, the cause of male infertility cannot be determined. A complete lack of sperm occurs in about 10% to 15% of men who are infertile. A hormone imbalance or blockage of sperm movement can cause lack of sperm. In some cases of infertility, a man produces less sperm than normal. The most common cause of this condition is varicocele, an enlarged vein in the testicle. Varicocele is present in about 40% of men with infertility problems. There are some conditions required for pregnancy. 50 to 60% of active motile. Good health is essential for both men and women. Male semen has normal sperm count. If a person is not meeting this given criteria, he is not able to produce a child or make a woman pregnant. After every 72 hours, men should produce 1.5 to 5 milliliters semen. When a normal person ejaculates, then he releases 200 to 600 millions of sperms. If he has 50 million or less than 50 million active sperm, then he is not able to produce a child. In mathematical expression, we have a formula: 200 by 75% is equal to 150 million active sperm, 200 by 70% is equal to 140 million active sperm, 200 by 60% is equal to 120 million active sperm. Viewers, a man produces 50,000 sperms in a minute, 72 million in a day, These sperms get mature in 84 days. Infertility may be occurs because of different sperm disease. The treatment of infertility is treated after marriage. After a year, the child's song put in the attention of one couple start their treatment. All these problems are in the male infertility, but you don't need to be worried about it. Yes, I have a good news for you. Taseer Dawakhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all these diseases. Doctors and scientists of our institute, Taseer Dawakhana, work under the supervision of Dr. and Hakim Tariq Mahmood Taseer, qualified doctors, lady doctors, pharmacists and Hakim with prolonged research. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% of courses is prepared under the medical principles and proper scientific methods with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma Private Limited. Taseer courses cure azoospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia, varicocele, hydrocele, pus cell infection, hormone level, metan pH level of a person, increase the volume of the semen, thickness in semen, sperm morphology, every type of infection and start producing sperm where person will be relieved from all infertility diseases. Increase HGH hormone level, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone and normalize the sperm count of infertile men so they become fertile. Taseer course is a special and expensive courses. Consists of 12 precious herbal ingredients. It provides some extra benefits. Taseer course's unique formulation contain safe, natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow because ingredients in Taseer course is highest quality and verified at purity. Their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable and efficient. As it is multi-purpose course, so it also boosts the sexual power of the person and improve physical health. Taseer courses has some special herbal those qualities to achieve the gain of centimeter in penis length and especially they get to help to get your confidence and sexually satisfying experience, which is specially prepared for those who has erectile dysfunction, ejaculation, duration problem, stiffness, length and width problem with penis. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extracts. If you can find a way to reduce stress in your life, eliminate your infertility with Taseer courses and spend happy life with your complete family. So viewers, if you are known person has infertility problem, then come to Taseer Dawakhana and use Taseer courses which will cure all infertility diseases and problems. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video in which we will discuss next topic and its treatment. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.